As numerous American states went to the ballot box on an off-year election on Tuesday, there was one issue taking up all of the political oxygen. Abortion was once again on the ballot in Virginia, Mississippi, Kentucky and Ohio. The latter choosing to enshrine protections for women's health care in the state's constitution. Now, even before all of the votes were counted, it was declared an overwhelming yes to what was being called Issue 1, meaning that abortion is now protected under Ohio's state constitution. Ohio is now the 7th state where voters have chosen to protect healthcare rights, and that comes after last year's overruling of the Roe versus Wade ruling by the Supreme Court of the United States, ultimately handing the decision of abortion down to individual states. Now, abortion has been a lightning rod issue. We saw it in the midterms in 2022 when even states such as Kansas, that are deeply red, voted to stop people trying to ban abortion. What is now interesting is to see whether that will continue to next year when we come into the main election year, whether that trend will continue in places like Arizona, Missouri and further afield. But this election now is being seen as a good bellwether for 2024. It's good news for the Democrats after a bad bunch of poll numbers came out over the weekend. That was a report from the New York Times that said Joe Biden was trailing Donald Trump in 5 out of 6 battleground states. Now, the White House says that it is aware of those bad polling numbers, but that all these polls that are taken a year in advance need to be taken with a grain of salt.